This is how we do. We make it move nice, girl, while we down in Kenya.
This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show some love. This is how we do. We make a moving like the fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it.
So jam tourism like
Empire, all of chrome hydraulics, 808 drums, you don't want none, you better run. When beef is on, I pop that drum, come get me some, it's the red palm, give me 6 inches on them white A1s, this red rum, ready here come,
call up jam tours when you're ready when you tour.
selling that stuff, one hand on my arm, I was selling
Jam tours sell it.